Uh, Good day, beautiful co-creators, and thank you for watching this video. Today is day 30 of my 100-day challenge, and today's day was out of plan, but still I'm on my way to weight loss, and um, I'm becoming more and more healthy and slim and more healthier, slimmer and more beautiful. Um, with every day that passes, and um, that's cool. What about today's day? Today's day was out of planning. I've done practically everything out of plan, but still the day was very good. I woke up late, and I cleaned my flat, and I watched the videos, uh, and I helped my brother. Yes, it was in the plan. And actually, I was with the family, and after that, I visited my friend and had a very interesting time there. So I watched her working, and after that, we chosen a new iPad for me. And yes, I'm just, like manifesting it. Manifesting. I want to get it somehow. I don't know how is gonna happen because I have too many wishes. Too many. But actually, I want to go to India. Now I'm saving money for India and for the journey. And I want to buy iPad, and I'm sure that it's gonna happen. The question is when. And okay, and also we played a beautiful game, beautiful interesting game. So the day was good, and finally I came home at 1 a.m. And today I read a beautiful book written by Eugene Brodarev, and very good book. And I like this author, and actually he's a very good journalist. Okay, as for tomorrow's planning, tomorrow I'm attracting health. Tomorrow I'm going to the doctor, and I'm planning to manage all the healthy matters, and to to get that clarity on the subject of my health. Tomorrow I am working. Tomorrow I'm having a pupil, and I have a very interesting class with her. And tomorrow I am finally finishing astrology. I hope that it will finally happen, because this time I procrastinated again. Yeah. And tomorrow, what else? Tomorrow I'm having 30 minutes of preparation for my driving license test, and tomorrow I am what else? Tomorrow I'm starting a new article. Yeah, that's it for tomorrow. And by the way, tomorrow I'm having 1 hour of physical exercises. Yes, it is very important for me to do it regularly. Okay, I think that's it for today's day and for today's video. Hope that you are doing well. Hope that you are on the track and manifestations are coming soon. Magic is on the way to our homes. So hope you are doing well and hope you are having a wonderful day. And Gandalf is saying final goodbye. Bye bye bye. Haha, bye bye.